Good morning, welcome to day 30 of morning maths. You just need your pencil and paper. Copy me if you need to, go faster than me if you can. Year 3 level, question 1. 100 plus 20 plus a mystery. 100 plus 20 plus a mystery equals 123. So we have 100 there, 1 in the hundreds column. We have 20 there, 2 in the tens column, 2t is 20. And 3 in the units column, well, we don't have that up here because the missing digit is 3. 100 plus 20 plus 3 is 123. 123. So 3 is the missing digit. Let's go on to question 2. As soon as you're ready. Hopefully getting faster all the time. Question 2. 345 plus 39. Be careful with your lining up. Has to line up down the right. This is the right side, the right. So make sure it's lined up like mine. It can be a bit tricky because the top number has 3 digits and the bottom number only has 2. When you've done that, we'll do the units column first, then the tens, then the hundreds. Units can be called ones, can't it? 5 plus 9. Let's do that on this one. 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is 14. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 1, 2, 3 is 7. And then with the little one that goes up to 8. 300s is just 300s at the start. 384. Because plus makes things get bigger usually. Let's go on to question 3. Our minus questions are normally quite easy at the moment, but that'll be changing once you get through your minus topic. They'll start getting bigger soon. But for now, it's just 10 take away 7. We do this on the number line. Hopefully getting faster and faster at this if you use the number line. 10 take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 3. And we can go to question 4. Question 4, 3 times 12. Okay, we did our 3s yesterday. We'll be singing our 3s 12 times. So we've got 3, but we got it 12 times. 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15, 18, 21 and 24, 27 and 30, 33 and 36. 3 times 12 is 36. That was question 4 already. We're getting fast now. And question 5 is sharing out the Lego figures because it's 10 divided by 5. So there is 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It won't work if there's not. 10, we're going to share them between 5, so into 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where I put my 5 groups. That group now has 2. That group has 2. That group has 2. That group has 2. That group has 2. All nice and fair. Every group has 2 because the answer is 2. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Can you write on top of Lego figures? 10 divided by 5 equals 2. You can't see it very well. Now you can. 10 divided by 5 equals 2 is our answer. Our answer is 2. That's a year 3 level work done. We'll be moving into year 4. Question 6 for year 4 level. 500. Keep doing these place value questions like this with the missing boxes, don't we? This will last a little bit longer, then we'll change to something else. 500 plus something plus 7 equals 547. You know what's missing. 500 is there in the hundreds column. 7 is there in the units column. What's this column called? T. 4T. 4T, that's why we call it 40. 4 tens is 40, that's what's missing. So 40 goes in the missing box. And we can go to question 7. This is addition. Actually, I'm going to get a bit more space. Hopefully you've caught up with number 6 if you were behind. Question 7. You could put either number on the top in plus. Sometimes I like to put the number with the most digits on the top. This number has 4 digits, this one here. The other one only has 3 digits. But you could do it the other way around. In addition, it doesn't matter which number goes first. It doesn't matter which number goes at the top. If you did it the opposite way around to me with these numbers, we should still get the same answer. 2,939. And we can go to question 8. Blue for question 8. 377 minus, you have to have the biggest number at the top in the column method, minus. If 255 was on the top of this one, it would go wrong. So I have to get the biggest number on the top in column method for minus. Actually, there's no help needed or anything. 7 minus 5 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. That was one of the easiest ones we've had for a little while, I think. 122. And we go on to question 9. Sometimes I'm suspicious of easy questions. I feel like I might have done something wrong. But I've checked it and it looks fine. Number 9, 600 lots of 4. Lots of means times. So this, we don't need a method for this, because you might be thinking already, this is just times tables in disguise. 6 times 4 with a couple of zeros placed on it, really. 6 times 4 equals 24. 2 zeros to place. 1, 2. So it's 2,400. Times tables in disguise are one of my favourite things in maths. Many of you will be able to get very good at doing these even in your head in the end. Let's go to question 10. 828 divided by 4. I've done the bus stop a lot of times this year. Hopefully when you get to division topic you'll be quite happy with it. How many 4's in 8? 4, 8, there was 2. How many 4's in 2? 4 is too big to get into 2. 0, carried a 2. And how many 4's in 28? Sing your 4's up to 28 and the answer will be on your fingers. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28. My fingers said it was 7. 207. That's very similar to yesterday's question. But I don't think exactly the same. That was question 10 for year 4. Let's move on to year 5 questions. Year 5 question 1 is 4,000 plus 60 plus something equals 4,061. Oh, I wonder what it could be. 4,000 plus 60 plus something equals 4,061. You can just hear that it's the 1 that's missing. The 1, we can do that straight away really, can't we? The 1 is what we haven't got in 4,061. So 1 goes in the missing box. I don't know why I call that question 5. Or it's not 15 either. It's question 11, isn't it? Question 11, I know why, because I said year 5. Let's go on to question 12. Total means addition usually. Let's total these then, which means let's add these. So you could get an instruction, total these numbers. That just means add them up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 4, 2. Just checking I copied it down right. Well, this is an easy addition. Sometimes I'll chuck an easy one in, even in year 5 or 6, because we've got to be able to do easy things as well. In case you didn't know, when you do your SATs in year 6, includes work you did in year 3, includes year 3 level questions, and year 4 level, and year 5 level, and year 6 level. So you've got to be able to do them all. Question 13 next. This won't be as easy as question 12, because we'll need some help on some of these parts. Just checking I did question 12 right. Another seemingly very easy one. So question 13, 0 take away 2, we can't do. It's not 8, it's not 2. We need to get some help. Go along to the hundreds column. And then 10 tens goes down to 9 and then it's 1. 10 take away 2 is 8. 9 take away 8, 1. 4 take away 2, 2. 7 take away 1, 6. 6,218. Because minus usually makes things smaller. Question 14. What are we on now? Multiplication. Standard method. Times 4. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 16. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5, 20, plus 1, 21. 4 times 3, 12, plus 2, 14. I'm quite happy with that one actually. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20, plus 1, 21. 4 times 3, 12, plus 2, 14. I don't think I'll check that one with the grid method this time. So I'm pretty confident that's correct, haven't checked it. We can go to question 15. This number will divide by 3 because when you add up these digits, it makes 27, which is in the 3 times table. 3 into 1 is 0, carried a 1. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 6 3s will fit into 18, but that's 19, so remainder 1. As we just said, 6 3s will fit into 18. 3 into 9, how many 3s fit into 9? 3, 6, 9 is 3. 663 is our answer. Whoops, that's all I can say to this. I forgot to uncover some of that work. Well, here it is now. Far too late, I know, for some of you. Question 16. 5,000 plus a mystery, which I'm guessing could involve the hundreds column, plus 23. All that equals 5,000, which we've got, 400, which we don't have, and 23. It's the 400 that we don't have. 400s because that's the hundreds column. Tens, units, thousands. Sorry about the messy hats. Thousands, hundreds, tens, units. 400 was missing. So in there goes 400. And we get to question 17. I can go fast now. It's year 6, isn't it? Or anyone who can handle year 6 questions, maybe. 3.87 plus 4.95. They've both got 2 decimal places, both numbers. So they line up quite nicely. 7 and 5 is 12. 18. 8.82. Yep, that's right. And question 18 next. 20,000 take away just 7. The answer is going to be 19,993. I think I'll show you how this method works with lots of borrowing or taking. 19,993 is what I think it is. Actually, it doesn't take very long, does it? That literally took about 10 seconds to do that method anyway. And I've got to double check because my head said that and the paper said that as well. Or in this case, the board. Question 19. 0.25 times 7. So I can do this one like times tables in disguise because the 25 times table is something we should know, and if not, we should practice. So I can do a times tables in disguise on this. There's other ways of doing it. 7 times 25. Let's do my 25s. 25, 50, 75, 100. 107. Start again. 25, 50, 75, 100. 125, 150, 175. 7 times 25 is 175. But this is not quite the same as that because it has 2 decimal places. So let's have 2 decimal places in the answer as well. So it's actually 1.75. You could do that with standard method and you'd still get 1.75. And question 20. Divide, share, 23,292. So it says divide by 3. This will divide by 3 because these digits add up to 18, which is in the 3 times table. Been talking about that lately, haven't I? And it worked out without a remainder, 7,764. And we're done. Let's see the answers. 7,764. Check you did well. Or check what you got. Check these answers are correct as well. There's another morning maths done. 30 of them done now. See you next time.